Hi everyone, welcome to Vishwa Bloom. So in this video we will be looking at analytical geometry AM 8 class 8 formula related to straight lines. So let's begin. So in this topic first we are having about area of triangle which is enclosed between the line AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0 and the coordinate axis. So what will be the formula for this? It will be half of, here you are having modulus. Remember it, modulus means everything will become positive if something is in modulus. So half of minus c by a into minus c by b enclosed in modules, that will be equal to c square by 2 into ab, which is in modules, that is square units, because it is the area, that's why we are writing in square units. This is the formula. But here something to note is that area of triangle when formed by the line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 with coordinate axis, it will be 1 by 2 in modulus ab square units. So this is very much important, one of the note point. So next topic is perpendicular distance from a point to a given line. Suppose this is a point x1 y1, from that particular perpendicular distance, this distance, how to find, we are going to see. So that is the formula. We are having it as in modules ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square. So this is the formula. Now if we want to find the perpendicular distance from the origin, again it will be changing, right? At same point it will be ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, but formula it will be more simple, that is c by root over a square plus b square, which is enclosed between the modules. Okay, now we will see next one. Now we have to find, suppose if you are finding the distance between any two parallel lines, suppose ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 plus 0. So this distance if we want to find, the formula it will be, what will be the formula? c1 minus c2 by root over a square plus b square. Okay, in modulus again. Okay. Now if we want to find two angles between any two lines, suppose it is given here a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 and a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. So how can we find? I will write the formula. So the formula which we have to use for finding this is cos theta is equals to, in modulus you are going to write a1 into a2 plus b1 into b2 by root over a1 square plus b1 square into a2 square plus b2 square. Okay. Now we shall look at the challenger bits of AMAT, that is find the equation of a straight line passing through the point which is 2 comma minus 5 is the point which it is passing through, and it is parallel to which line? It is x plus y plus 2. Sorry, x plus y is equal to 2. To this line it is parallel, and we have to find the area of a triangle formed by this line with the coordinate axis. So first, for that we have to frame one equation. So for that let's frame it now. A into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of, this is the formula for framing an equation for given data. Now a will be 1 because here you can see that, 1 minute, I will explain that clearly. Now here you have x plus y is equal to 2. So whatever the numeric which is there before the variable x, that is a. Whatever the numeric which is there before y, that is b. So a, what will be a? A will obviously be 1 into x will be as it is because it is the variable, minus x1 is 2 here, and plus b is also 1 and y is a variable, so it will be like that only, and y1 is minus 5. So what is minus into minus? It is plus, so y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now here, now you are going to multiply this, right? 1 into x is x, and 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, 1 into y is y, and 1 into 5 is equal to 0. Okay, now what we are supposed to do? Just 5 minus 2 we will do, right? Now x plus y plus 5 minus 2 is 3 is equal to 0. So this is the equation formed. Now for this we are going to find the area of triangle. So what is the area of triangle formula? C square by 2 into modulus of AB, right? So this is the formula. So let's just substitute the values. So C is 3, as you can see. It is 3 square by 2 into A is, see the x numeric I said, right? So here 1x it is there. So obviously it is 1, and again y numeric is also 1 only. That's why it will be 9 by 2, which is nothing but 4.5 square unit. So that's the first one. Now we will see second one. Now in second question they have given us the line. So that the area of triangle we have to find, and of the line 3x minus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0 with the coordinate axis. So what is the formula? It is c square by 2 into AB, as we all know. Now directly substituting you are going to do. So what is c? C is 1 by 1 square, right? So 1 square you put it, and 2 into what is A? A is 3. The numeric value of x will be A, and as I have already told you, into what is B? It is minus 5. So minus 5 you will write here. In modulus, again 1 square is 1 by, and 3 5s is 15. Here negative is there, but it is in modulus, it will become positive. So 2 into 15 is equal to 1 by 15, 2 is 30, 1 by 30 square units, as it is area. Now we will see third one. So here in third one what they are telling, that intercepts A and B are, they are passing through this equation of a straight line is given, their intercepts is A and B. We have to find that equation of straight line, and intercepts are AB, and they have given A plus B is 4 and A minus B as 2, and also after that we are supposed to find the area of the triangle which is formed by this line. So now how to do this is, these two equations are given to us. A plus B is 4, A minus B is 2. Now we are just going to add them. So plus, I am adding them as it because that's why plus we are going to get here, and here it will be minus itself. Now plus b and minus b, it will get cancelled. Now A plus A, 2A. Now what is 4 plus 2? 6. So what will be the value of A? A is equal to 6 by 2, that is 3. Now in any of the equation you can substitute the value of A. Now I am substituting this. A is equal to 3 in 1, that is A plus B is equal to 4. I will substitute, suppose. Now 3 plus B is equal to 4. Now B is equal to 4 minus 3, which is 1. Suppose if A is 3, then B is 1. Now what we will do is, we will find the area of the triangle. 1 minute. So how to find area of triangle? As you all know that we have to take the formula c square by 2 into AB, which is in AB is in modulus. Now how to do that? Simple. C square, it is no. Now we will take a different formula, because here we don't have C value, we are having only 2 values. So we have another formula for it. As you all I think you remember this formula, half of AB, which is in modulus. So half of A is 3, because we got that value, and B is 1, we got that value. Now half of 3, which is nothing but 1.5 square units. So I hope you understood. Now we will see next question. Now we will see fourth one. Here the fourth one is x by 2 plus y by minus 3 is equal to 1. And we have to find the area of this triangle. First, this given equation is in the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So by seeing this equation, we can conclude that a value is 2, b value is minus 3. As it is in the same format, right? So you can see that. That's why I have just put that value. Now, if we are asked to find the area of triangle, you can just take this formula. Because we don't know C. That's why. Now, half of AB. Now what is A? 2 into minus 3. Now, half of 2 into 3 is 6. You have to put positive 6 because it is in modulus. So 2 1s are 2 3s are. Now it is 3 square units. So this is the fourth answer. Now we will see fifth one. So in this fifth one, what we have to do is we have to find the perpendicular distance from the point 2, minus 3 to the line 5x plus 12y plus 13 is equal to 0. So already I told the formula before itself. So that formula will be ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square. So this is the formula which is in modulus. Now just substitute the values here. So what is a? It is 5. This is a. x1 is 2 plus what is b? It is 12 into y1 is minus 3 plus c is 13 divided by root over a square. A square is 5 square plus what is b square? 12 square. Now put it in modulus. Now just solve this. I'll take a little bit space. Now 5 2s is 10 and 12 3s is 36, which is minus 36 because negative is there, plus 13 as it is, divided by root over 5 square is 25, 12 square is 144, it is 169. Now modulus again, then here 10 minus 36 plus 13 is minus 13 by root over 169 is plus 13, which is in again modulus. Both will get cancelled. Minus 1 will be inside, but it is in modulus, so it is plus 1. Okay. Now you can see the full solution. Now in the sixth question, what we are having, we have to find the perpendicular distance from origin. Origin means 0, 0. That's why I have written point is 0, 0 and line is given. So from that point to line, what is the distance we have to find? So let's find using the formula in modulus c divided by a square plus b square. Now why did the formula change, you will be thinking. When the line is passing, when the point is origin, the given point is the origin, then you can use this formula as I have already told. Now here c is minus 50. Just substitute that, which is in modulus. Now root over a square plus b square. So a square is 6 square plus b square is 8 square here. Okay. Now minus 50 in modulus divided by 6 square plus 8 square, it is nothing but 6 square is 36, 36 plus 64, which is 100, 100 will give us 10, so root over 100, right? Now 50 is positive 50, now 10, 0 0 cancel, now it is 5 units. Okay. So until here I will have discussed. From the 7th question I will do it in the next video. Do like, share and subscribe to Vishwa Blooms. And don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching and bye. And we'll meet you in second part.